Hello, my dear Glorians of Standard Ninth, and welcome to our Geography class. Today we will begin with Chapter 12, Tourism. So let's get started. At the very onset of our journey in tourism, let us explore the mesmerizing beauty of incredible India. Acknowledgement, soul, and fuel. Can you tell? Dear students, imagine that you have to go on a vacation with your family. Make a list of 15 favorite places in Maharashtra. After the list is prepared, put your places in the relevant classification as places near the sea, historical places, national parks and sanctuaries, hill stations, religious places. Then select one place from each group which you would like to visit, and you should know reasons for your choice. Now, I'd like to share with you a few places that I'd personally like to visit as per the classification criteria given. Places near the sea: Tarkarli Beach. Historical places: Murud Janjira Fort. National parks and sanctuaries: Koina Wildlife Sanctuary. Hill stations: Panchgani Hill Station. Religious places, be it Haji Ali Dargah or the Mahalakshmi Temple or the Mount Mary's Basilica. Choosing just one place of worship to visit would be a difficult deal, as each one helps us to connect with the Almighty, who embraces us and heals. We undertake short or long journeys for various purposes like festivals, family functions, fairs, sports, wanderings, recreation, etc. We need to carry out some preparations before going anywhere, such as selecting the route to go there, that is, either choosing to go there by roadways, railways, waterways or airways, choosing the means of transport as per the route selected, packing essential things, etc. When we reach the destination, we visit the exquisite and spectacular sights, that is, the beautifully amazing and breathtaking sights. Sometimes we stay there. We make use of the facilities provided over there. We also pay in lieu, that is, basically pay for those services or goods that we use. Visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, entertainment, trading, staying, etc. is called tourism. Use your brain power. Planning of a trip. A trip has to be organized from your home to your favorite tourist destination. Find out the route with the help of various websites. Decide the journey route you will take. Consider factors like duration of the trip, materials required for travel, means of transport, availability of the route, etc. Get the estimated travel cost per person as well. Now, this activity can be done by you, my dear Glorians, during your leisure time. Nevertheless, while planning a trip, there are a few steps that each one of us must follow so that we can accomplish a memorable trip for ourselves. Step 1. Figure out your travel budget. Step 2. Decide on your travel style and the people with whom you wish to travel, whether it is a travel solo plan or travel with a group of friends or travel with family and relatives, etc. Step 3. Choose a destination. Step 4. Book train tickets, bus tickets or flights depending on which route you have chosen to travel. Step 5. Book accommodation and at the same time, if possible and needed, a travel guide who can take you to different places at your tourist destination. Step 6. Research things to do, that is the different kinds of activities that are available at that tourist spot. Step 7. Get travel insurance because accidents can occur anywhere once we are out from home. Step 8. Minimize travel risk. Step 9. Pack wisely. Step 10. Last minute preparations which will enable you to have a memorable trip. Incredible India or Atulya Bharat. Let's observe figure 12.1 and answer the following questions. First, out of these, which tourist places do you know? Make a list. Note, these answers are based on my own experiences. You can feel free to jot down what is applicable to you. First, Leh. Second, Rameshwaram. Third, Port Blair. Fourth, Panaji. Fifth, Jaipur. And sixth, Agra. Second, for what are the selected places famous? Leh is famous for Pangong So Lake, Somururi Lake, Khardungla Pass, Nubra Valley, Spityuk Gompa, Namgyal Monastery, Leh Palace, etc. Rameshwaram is famous for Shri Ramanatha Swami Temple, Agni Tirtham, the five-faced Hanuman Temple, Dhanush Kodi, etc. Port Blair is famous for the historic cellular jail and other small islands like Ross, Viper, etc. Panaji is famous for Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Church, Basilica of Bom Jesus, Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, Goa State Museum, etc. Jaipur is famous for the City Palace, Amber Fort, Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Jantar Mantar Observatory, Pink City Bazaars, Albert Hall Museum, etc. Agra is famous for the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Wildlife SOS, etc. Third, make a list of religious and historical sites from the map. The list of religious sites include Tirupati, Rameshwaram, Jagannath Puri, Dwarka, Varanasi, Mathura, Gaya, Kanyakumari, etc. The list of historical sites include Tiruvananthapuram, Mysore, Ellora, Ajanta, Pune, Ujjain, Vishakhapatnam, Konark, Khajuraho, Agra, Jhansi, Delhi, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Ajmer, etc. Fourth, make a list of hill stations, places having sanctuaries, and places along the coast. The list of hill stations include Udagamandalam, Darjeeling, Gangtok, etc. The list of sanctuaries include Kaziranga, Bharatpur, Periyar, etc. The places along the coast include Kanyakumari, Kavarati, Panaji, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai, Port Blair, etc. Fifth, correlate the physiography and tourist places in India. In India, a vivid geographical diversity is observed. For example, the Himalayan mountains and the Gangetic plains in the north, coastlines at the east and the west, the Sahyadri ranges in the western region running north-south, and the northwestern desert of Thar. Based on this geographical diversity given above, peculiar tourist destinations can be found all across India, which can be prominently seen on the given map. The places given on the map have become famous due to different reasons. Some special things are the reason behind the place becoming famous. For example, natural beauty, pleasant weather, exquisite scenery, hot springs, that is, springs produced by the emergence of geothermally heated groundwater that rises from the earth's crust. Seacoasts, historical monuments, religious places, forest areas, etc. are major attractions for tourists. On the basis of political boundaries, tourism can be of two types: domestic tourism. Tourism within the limits of a country is called domestic tourism. For example, a person from Maharashtra going to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu for tourism, or a person from Nagpur visiting Ellora caves in Aurangabad within the state of Maharashtra, etc. International or foreign tourism, crossing the country's boundaries and visiting some other country for tourism is called international tourism. For example, an Indian going to Switzerland for tourism, or an American coming to India for tourism, etc. Do you know? To go to a foreign country, one needs a passport, visa, travel insurance, and other documents. We should have currency of the country where we are going in order to do any kind of shopping or expenses over there. Our currency won't be really useful. Therefore, for this, we need to exchange our currency value with that currency before we leave for our tourist destination. With that, we complete with today's session. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.